Welcome back to everyone to my channel again. Yes, yesterday we were having a discussion on simple present. It's one of the trickiest tenses in English grammar. Yesterday we had learned it, right? So the today's concept is the next one. Of course, that is simple after simple present tense. That is present continuous tense, right? Before moving to that, let me ask you some questions, right? Okay, just tell me, you all tell me what you are doing right now. For example, I am talking to you. Yes, like that, what you are doing. Your answers might be you are watching back to me, right? Then you are listening to me, you are having some snacks because it's evening time, right? Like that, you may give some answers to me, right? Yes, the whatever sentences we have gathered now, right? I'm talking to you, you are listening to me, right? See, these sentences what we framed, right? These are the sentences of present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is used to express the things which are happening right now, right? For that, I'm talking to you is the best example, right? So before moving deep into that, let's understand the syntax or structure of a sentence. How sentence will be there in a present continuous tense. Okay. As yesterday we have seen when we were discussing about simple present tense. Now, first thing, what will be there? Subject, then verb, then object. Simple present tense, right? So here it's syntax of simple present tense. Now here we are discussing about present continuous tense. Subject, verb, object will be same. Little no, make sure we have to add, right? Subject plus helping verb, right? Helping verb, then main verb. Yes, for the main verb we have to add ing form. This ing form shows that the action is happening right now, right? That's what we use ing, right? Like drinking, speaking, talking, swimming and all, right? Then object. See, this is the syntax of present continuous tense. Let's take an example. Yesterday I have taken an example like I teach you English grammar. Today let's change or transform the same sentence into present continuous tense, right? I am teaching English grammar to you, right? To you. Yes, let's identify the things. Subject, am is a helping verb, teach and ing, verb and ing. Then English grammar to you is the object, right? This is a form, right? So like am, we have two more helping verbs. They are, first one is for, let me write here, for I we use am, right? For you or we or they, for all the three we use are, because the plural form. Then for he, for she, for it, we use is, right? The important helping verbs in the present continuous tense are am, are and is. Am, are and is. This is the syntax of or a structure of affirmative sentence or declarative sentence or a positive sentence, right? Let's see how we can transform the same sentence into negative one, right? Let's see that. Okay, let's see. Already we have discussed how to frame a positive or affirmative sentence in present continuous tense. Let's go to the next one, how to frame a sentence in present continuous as as using the negative sense, right? So the structure we have discussed earlier is subject plus helping verb plus main verb plus ing plus object, right? This is for affirmative sentence. How we can change into negative sense? That is subject, right? Helping verb plus not. The word not is used to show the negative sense. Helping verb plus not, then main verb, then ing form, then object, right? This is the form of negative sense. Let me take the same example. I am teaching English grammar to you, right? I am teaching English grammar to you. You know that this is a positive sentence, right? Subject, helping verb, yes, we have to bring not here, not, then main verb, then object, right? This is the syntax or a structure of framing a negative sentence, right? I hope you are clear with this, right? After watching this video, I want you to frame some more sentences to be perfect in this, right? I hope you will all do that, right? Then the next one, as we yesterday discussed about the simple present tense, in that we have discussed positive, negative, then interrogative sentence. We have discussed about interrogative sentence. Let's learn interrogative sentence in present continuous tense also. Let's see that. Okay, you know that this is the syntax of affirmative sentence, right? Subject, helping verb, plus ing to object tense, right? That you have. Now, how we can use this syntax to transform the positive sentence into interrogative sentence? You know that what is interrogative sentence? Interrogative sentence means it's a questioning sense. It asks the questions, right? Okay. So here one thing what we have to do, see, to make a question, yes, what we have to do, we have to bring helping verb at the beginning, then subject, then main verb with ing, then object. This is the structure to make a interrogative sentence of present continuous tense, right? Let's see. Let me take that the same example. Am, right? I am teaching English grammar, right? This is a sentence of positive, right? How we can change this into interrogative? Am is a helping verb, we know, we'll bring that. Am, right? Then subject, I, will bring that also. Then am I, then teaching, then English grammar. So, am I teaching English grammar is the interrogative sentence, right? Is it clear? Yeah. Okay, now it's the time to discuss the functions of present continuous tense, right? So first one is unfinished actions, not completed actions. To show the not completed unfinished actions, we use present continuous tense. For example, we are working from home due to coronavirus. Still we are working, not completed, right? Then temporary actions, right? You stated, at present I am ill, right? So I am staying in the home. I am staying in the home. That is a temporary situation, right? Then temporary habits. Yes, to gain the strength, every day I am drinking a liter of milk, right? A liter of milk. That is also temporary habit. Then definite future plans. When you will be having a definite plan, like I am going to Mumbai tomorrow. Yes, that's a definite plan. When you will be having a definite plan, then only you have to use present continuous tense. Or else you can use, if that is not a definite one, you can use future tense for that, right? If it is a definite one, you have to use, say present continuous tense, right? Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have learned something from my video. If you felt like that, please subscribe to my channel and like this video and share this to your friends, right? Thank you.